Welcome to Brain Freeze! Here, go to YouTube. In your channel tab, click the YouTube Studio. Then, on the left side, click the settings and click the community. You will now see the moderator. On the next tab, get the YouTube channel link you want to make a moderator. Here, copy and paste it on moderator. But I have already set Brain Freeze as moderator, so I don't have save button and we're finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like button.